Tuna is a versatile fish that can be cooked in various ways, such as grilling, baking, pan-frying, or even raw in sushi or sashimi. Here is a simple recipe for pan-seared tuna steak. Ingredients: 2 tuna steaks, about 6 to 8 ounces each. Salt and pepper to taste. 2 tablespoons olive oil or vegetable oil. Lemon wedges, optional. Instructions: pat-dry the tuna steaks with paper towels and season them with salt and pepper on both sides. Heat a large skillet or frying pan over medium-high heat and add the oil. Once the oil is hot, add the tuna steaks to the pan and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side, or until they are browned on the outside but still slightly pink in the center. If you prefer your tuna cooked well done, cook for an additional minute or 2 on each side. Remove the tuna steaks from the pan and let them rest for a few minutes before slicing and serving. Serve the tuna steaks with lemon wedges on the side, if desired. You can also try marinating the tuna steaks with your favorite marinade or spices before cooking, or serving them with a side of vegetables or rice for a complete meal. Enjoy your pan-seared tuna steaks.